Hey guys, here in the garage, and today we're going to try to do some hydroponics. We're going to try to set up a hydroponics system. I had an idea of how I was going to do it from the YouTube videos I saw and TikToks that I saw, and then I changed my mind when I walked into a hydroponics store and the guy gave me a great idea. So we're going to use this bin here, this storage bin, and we're going to drill some holes, and we're going to use these cups to fill the holes. It's very similar to the idea that I posted about a year and a half ago from another creator. I'm going to tag him in the video because this is similar to his idea, I think. I don't remember his exact idea, but I know he used a bin like this, so I want to give him credit for sort of helping spark this, okay? So let's get started. We're going to drill some holes so each one of these can sit on top of here perfectly. All right, we've got all our holes drilled. Got to clean it out a little bit. Now on to stage 2. So we filled it with water. We've got our bubbler in there. Just a simple little fish tank bubbler. 2 lines, so we can cover the whole distance of the container. These are the clay pebbles we're going to use. All right, now we got our medium in there, our clay pebbles. Next, our plants. I think we might transplant some of these guys in here. We'll put some seeds in here as well. So we transplanted some lettuce that I was growing in these little pots here. Let me know if that's something you can do, whether you can transplant from dirt to hydroponics, if you know. And then we put some seeds in this little foams here, and we have them in there, and everything's bubbling. So we'll see how it goes. We fed it with this right here, which is sort of a general hydroponics feed, and let's see how things go.